Did you know that 80% of millionaires are self-made? That's right, most rich people didn't start that way. I was once living paycheck to paycheck, but not anymore. I was poor, but these money secrets made me rich. Stick around, and I'll share the game-changing financial tips that helped me build wealth. My journey from poverty. Life wasn't always easy. There were days when the end of the month felt like a cliffhanger, wondering if the money would last. I remember counting every penny, trying to stretch it as far as it could go. Eating out, new clothes, or even a movie night were luxuries that were simply out of reach. It was a life of constant calculation, always playing defense with my finances. But then something clicked. I realized that this cycle of scarcity wasn't going to break itself. I had to be the one to shatter it. The motivation came from a deep desire for change, for a life where I wasn't constantly worried about the next bill or unexpected expense. I wanted freedom, not just survival. So I started small. I began educating myself about personal finance, reading books and articles, and listening to experts. I tracked every expense, no matter how minor, to understand where my money was going. I set up a budget, cutting unnecessary costs, and focusing on saving even a little each month. It was about making smarter choices, like cooking at home instead of eating out, and finding free or low-cost ways to enjoy life. These initial steps laid the groundwork for the financial stability I would build over time. It wasn't an overnight success, but each small victory was a step away from poverty and a step towards wealth. Understanding wealth. Wealth is often pictured as a hefty bank balance or a flashy car, but it's so much more. It's about having the freedom to make choices that make life richer in every sense. True wealth means having control over your time, being free from debt, and having peace of mind. It's not just about what you have, but how you use what you have to create a fulfilling life. To build wealth, you need the right mindset. It's about thinking long-term, making smart choices, and being consistent. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's the result of daily habits, like saving a little from each paycheck, investing wisely, and always learning. It's about being resourceful, not just with money, but with all your resources, time, skills, and energy. Many believe that getting rich is out of reach, that it's for those born into money or those who win the lottery. But that's a myth. Wealth can be created by anyone, regardless of their starting point. It's not about luck. It's about strategy and mindset. The secret is to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. With patience and persistence, financial freedom is within reach for anyone willing to learn the secrets and put them into action. Remember, wealth is not a privilege. It's a possibility for those who pursue it with passion and purpose. Money management secrets. Navigating the seas of finance can be daunting, but with the right compass, you can chart a course to treasure. Let's talk about the secrets that can guide you to financial abundance. Secret 1. Budgeting and tracking expenses. Budgeting is your financial blueprint. It guides you on how to allocate your funds effectively. By tracking your expenses, you gain insight into your spending habits, helping you identify areas where you can cut back and save. It's essential to categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings to maintain a balanced financial life. Secret 2. Investing in yourself and high-income skills. Investing in yourself is one of the most profitable investments you can make. Acquiring high-income skills, such as data analysis or software development, can significantly increase your earning potential. These skills are in high demand and can open doors to better job opportunities and higher salaries. Secret 3. Creating multiple streams of income. Relying on a single income source can be risky. Diversifying your income streams can provide financial security and stability. Consider passive income options like dividend stocks or real estate, and active income through side gigs or freelance work. This approach ensures that if one income stream falters, others can sustain you. Secret 4. Entrepreneurship and business ownership. Owning a business or engaging in entrepreneurship is a powerful way to build wealth. It allows you to create value, solve problems, and potentially earn significant profits. Whether it's starting a small online business or developing a new product, entrepreneurship empowers you to take control of your financial future and reap the rewards of your hard work and innovation. These secrets, when applied diligently, can transform your financial situation from just getting by to thriving. It's not about quick fixes, but adopting a strategic approach to managing and growing your wealth. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay informed, and watch your financial health improve over time. Implementing the secrets. Putting these secrets into practice isn't just about knowing them. It's about living them. Start by setting clear, achievable goals. Whether it's saving a certain amount each month or learning a new skill, having a target gives you direction. Break down your goals into small, manageable steps. This makes the journey less daunting and helps keep you motivated. Challenges will come, that's a given. You might have months where unexpected expenses crop up, or your side hustle might take longer to take off than you thought. When these setbacks happen, it's crucial not to lose sight of your goals. Adjust your plan if necessary, but keep moving forward. Remember, every successful person you know has faced and overcome obstacles. Take, for example, the story of Sarah, who started with a small blog about budget cooking. She faced criticism and had moments of doubt when her blog didn't get much traffic. But she persisted, learned about digital marketing, and slowly her blog gained followers. She then monetized it through ads and affiliate marketing. Now she not only earns from her blog, but also runs online cooking classes, creating multiple income streams. Or consider Mike, who was deep in debt from loans. He decided to tackle his finances head-on. He created a strict budget, worked overtime, and freelanced on weekends. It took him 2 years, but he paid off his debt. He didn't stop there. He used the money he was putting towards debt to start investing. Today, he has a healthy investment portfolio and is well on his way to financial independence. These stories show that with determination and the right strategies, anyone can turn their financial situation around. It's about taking action, learning from setbacks, and staying committed to your financial growth. So take that first step, keep pushing through the tough times, and watch as the principles of wealth transform your life, just as they did for Sarah and Mike. Sustaining wealth. Once you've climbed the mountain of financial success, the journey doesn't end there. Keeping your wealth requires a mindset that's focused on growth and resilience. It's about nurturing the belief that you can continue to prosper and that setbacks are just opportunities to learn. This mindset fuels the drive to keep pushing boundaries and not settle for the status quo. Learning is a lifelong process, especially when it comes to wealth. The world is always changing, and new opportunities for growth emerge all the time. Staying informed about financial trends, market shifts, and new investment strategies is crucial. It's also about adapting to changes, whether it's a shift in the economy or a personal life change. Flexibility and the willingness to adjust your strategies are key to sustaining wealth. But wealth isn't just about what you accumulate. It's also about what you give back. Creating a legacy that impacts others positively is one of the most rewarding aspects of wealth. It could be through philanthropy, mentoring others, or setting up a foundation. Giving back not only helps others, but also gives your wealth a purpose beyond just numbers in a bank account. It's about making a difference and leaving a mark on the world that will outlive your own story. In essence, sustaining wealth is a dynamic process that involves keeping a positive and proactive mindset, committing to continuous learning, and using your success to contribute to the greater good. It's a cycle of growth, giving, and legacy building that can lead to lasting prosperity and fulfillment. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about making money work for you. Tell us how you'll start your journey in the comments, show some love with a like, and subscribe to stay updated on the road to riches.